Hello everyone, welcome back to Python for Data Science course. Today we are diving into the powerful world of Jupyter Lab, which is a interactive computing environment for the Python, okay, and data science. Jupyter Lab is a fantastic tool uh, for developing, documenting, and sharing your code with anyone. Okay, so before we get start, let's understand what Jupyter Lab is. So Jupyter Lab is an open source web application that allow you to create and share the document that contain live code, equation, visualization, and narrative text. So in the Jupyter Lab, you can write your Python code and you can train your models. Okay, you can do all the stuff so for the machine learning, data science, even you can write any application in the Jupyter notebook. But yeah, it's like Jupyter notebook is notebook and lab are similar. So Jupyter notebook are really helpful for running the code line by line, and you can see output of every line by writing the different block. Okay, so yeah, in the previous video I have already told you how you can install Anaconda and how you can install Jupyter Lab. Okay, so yeah, okay, then I will quick review how you can install Jupyter Lab. Okay, so for the installing a Jupyter Lab, what you will do, you have to write a command. Okay, let me show you first like where you have to write the command. uh, okay, this is the, like, if you see this is the collab collab Jupyter notebook. Okay, but for opening your own Jupyter Lab, you have to you know go to the start menu. Okay, and you have to search for Anaconda. Okay, like here I am opening the Anaconda, and in the Anaconda, what will do, you will you can go any, any folder where you want to create your project. So suppose I want to create a project in the E drive. Okay, in the E drive I have a folder AI0 to 0. Okay, and after that I have a folder development, and after that I have a folder of Python for data science. Okay, so after going to this folder, I will open a Jupyter Lab. So for the opening the Jupyter Lab, you have to write a command Jupyter Lab. Make sure your spelling is correct. Okay, so like now you can hit enter, and let's see how Jupyter Lab is opening. Okay, so now your Jupyter Lab is opening here in the web browser. So as I said, it's a web application and help you to write a Python code. So if you see, okay, let me okay, yeah, sorry, I should drag in the left side. Okay, so as you see that I got open this what I can say, this on Jupyter Lab. So if you see in the left side, you would have explorer, or you can say navigation block, so, or panel. Okay, so you can create any file or any Jupyter notebook file. So I pynd means Python notebook. Okay, so this is the extension for Python notebook, and if you are getting only Python script, then that extension would be py. Okay, so you can create any notebook. If you click on this notebook, it will automatically create one more notebook here. Okay, and this current path is what we have given at the time of opening the Jupyter Lab. Okay, so even you can create a like paste a new file. Okay, or create a notebook, create a folder and all. Okay, this is the like another way to create a folder. You can upload, you can refresh the browser, and this is the menu. Like in the file section you will see all the option. In the edit section you will see Once you will start writing, then you will able to see all these enable like undo, redo. Okay, and like same as other application like undo, redo, paste and all. But yeah, in this case most of the operation happen on the sales level. So you can see like cut cells, copy cells, paste cell, below, above and all. Okay, uh, there is a view, run, kernel, tab, setting and all. Okay, so in the setting, you based on the preference, you can change your theme. Okay, like here dark, light and all. So all these this option you will be explore during the this course. Okay, so yeah, so the main important point is like how you can start Jupyter notebook. So by clicking this you will start on the new notebook, and you can like here uh, rename the file whatever you want to delete, you can cut, or if you want to duplicate or copy paste, you can do that also. Okay, you want to download from here to somewhere, then you can do that part. If you want to shut down the kernel, okay, kernel is the uh, something which help you to run the your python code. If you see here this kernel is the python 3, and this code will be run over this kernel. So python 3 will be will going to help you to run like suppose if you want to print something. Okay, so whenever you are clicking like it will like kernel will running it. Okay, so hello. So there are few option in the notebook like paste, add, okay, insert a cell below, okay, cut, okay, paste, okay, paste, sorry, this is the copy, this is the paste. Yeah, stop, sorry, run, and this is the stop. Okay, and refresh, uh, and this one is like restart your kernel and run the cell, and this one the code. So this is really helpful. You will going to use this option like you want to write a code, or you want to add some markdown, or you want to add some data. Okay, so like if you want to add some markdown text, then you can like use that. Like suppose I want to add some heading. Okay, so like I can add this. Okay, so this will like through the markdown. So if you run it, if you see, this is the heading. If you want to like like bit smaller heading, then what you can do, you have to um, add two hash before the text. Okay, but yeah, if you see here, I haven't changed the option as a markdown, that's why it's showing like this. But when you are like let me show you without changing the markdown. Okay, if you see, if you run, nothing is nothing is printing. Okay, because this is assuming that's a code, and the hash is uh, used for comment any text in the python. So like this is a comment for the python. But if you change this as a markdown and now you will run it, then you will see, I'm sorry, this I have to change. Now if you see, this is like now you can see this is the smaller than this one. So same way you can use 2 hash, 3 hash, 4 hash. Okay, and there are plenty of things like you can use a few an html HTML tags for your markdown. Even you can search markdown tags, or the way how you can use a markdown. So you can see many blogs on the Google. Okay, so this is the way like you can use, and over the time you will learn all the option of Jupyter Lab. And yeah, running how you can run, okay, in any blog. Like suppose I want to run this blog. So what you can do, you can click this one, then you will get like this script will run. Or you can press shift enter, then it will run. Even you can press control enter. Okay, when you press control enter, it will run, but your pointer will be still pointing to this block only. Okay, so this is a way like you can use a Jupyter Lab. So okay, I think that's enough for this video. Okay, in the next video I will start basic of Python, like data type and all. Okay, so I will cover all those things. Okay, let me show you what I will cover in the next video. Okay, in the next video I will cover variable, data type, type conversion. I will try to cover this basic operation and expression. In the next video I will cover this and this, so on. Okay, I will do this. So I will live this website soon. It's still in development phase, so I will do that later. But yeah, I will cover this point in the next video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Okay, so please do like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, so that they can also take a benefit of this video and this course Python for data science. Thank you.